In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean my mirrors without Windex. I really hate the smell of Windex, guys, and for so many years, I hate cleaning my mirrors. So I have been looking for a safe and cheap alternative, and this little magic all-purpose spray here leaves your mirror super clean and with no streaks at all. Also, it leaves my bathroom smelling amazing because I mix it with my essential oil of my choice depending how I'm feeling at that time. So let me show you how I make this spray, and it would definitely change your experience in cleaning your mirrors. To make this natural mirrors cleaner, we need to mix 1 part vinegar to 1 part water. Here I have a cup of vinegar to half a cup of water because my spray bottle is small. Second, we add in 1 teaspoon of dish soap of your choice. For me, I'm using Dawn liquid soap. And lastly, mix in an essential oil of your choice and shake the mixture. Here I'm using the tea tree essential oil because of its natural antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties. So a little extra, let me demonstrate to you how I clean my mirrors that leaves my mirrors super clean and with no streak. So what you do, take this spray the mirrors, cover all of it, and now take these white towels. I bought these white towels from Costco. They come in a lot of them. I don't know the number. And basically what I do is that I start from the top and from the right side, and then I move across to the left side horizontally. I go gently all the way until down. So that's the first round, and then the second round I turn into the drier part of the towel, and then I again do the same thing, moving from left to right, going down. And then in most cases in this, it's already clean. So what I do as well, I do it 3 times. The last now is to take the driest part of the towel and sort of dust it lightly to remove all the lines or flaps towel might have left behind. And after this, your mirror should look super clean and it should be streak free. Now admire your super clean mirror and breathe in your amazing smell. Now before you go, allow me to thank you so much for watching this video until the end. On this channel I post each week, and now I'm planning to post 3 times a week: deep cleaning, organization and DIY natural cleaning recipe videos. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.